Once again, a very warm welcome to Digital Classroom. Dear children, in this class, we are going to study about topographical maps. How to interpret a topographical map. In smaller classes, you must have studied about the 7 colors given in the map. This is the first map given in your textbook. So, first let us see map A, extract of the Survey of India map number 45D10. This is where you have to see when the question paper is given, you have to match that number and this question, the question number and the map number, and also the eastings given in the map and the northings. So all these lines, you can see red lines here. These vertical lines are known as eastings. You have to keep in mind we are moving towards the east. This is north, this is south, this is east and west. So we are moving towards the east, eastings. And all these lines, horizontal lines are northings. And you have to start from below. You should not come from here. You should not go like this. You have to come from below. So, you can see 01, 02, 03. It will be a 2-digit number. It is always a 2-digit number. Eastings are also 2-digit numbers and northings are also 2-digit numbers. Now, let me draw this onto a paper and show you exactly how to find a thing or a symbol inside a 4-figure grid. See, now I have drawn the eastings and northings. See, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Understood? 18, 6. See, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So this is how you have to read this. It's a 2-digit number. These are known as eastings, and 01, 02, 03, 04, these are northings. So if I just want to find out St. Mary's School, find out the 4-figure grid reference of St. Mary's School. So first you have to read the eastings. 20, that is 20 and 21. You have to take the number which is the least, the line which is just before the symbol. Okay, if this is St. Mary's School, the line which is just before the symbol or the school, that's what we have to take. So it is 20. And then you have the next 2-digit is northings. So northings means you have to take this line, the number which is the least, 0, 3, just below the school. So the 4-figure grid reference of St. Mary's School is 2003. Now the same way, if I ask you Malu's Bakery, in which grid is Malu's Bakery? So the 4-figure grid is, first you have to take 21, the line which is just before the symbol or whatever thing you are trying to find out, or the number you can say the least number, that is 21 is higher. I am sorry, 22 is higher than 21. So the number which is lesser than 22. Okay, 21, like that also you can take. So first you have to take the eastings, then the northings. Northings means you have to take 0, 2. the line which is just before the symbol 0, 2. So, the 4-figure grid reference of Malu's Bakery is 2102. See, same way, Ruby Hotel. Suppose we are taking Ruby Hotel which is close to a school. So, how to find the 4-figure grid reference? The first line just before Ruby Hotel. Okay. 18 and the line just before is 0, 1. So, you've got 1801. So, the 4-figure grid reference of Ruby Hotel is 801. Now, always read eastings. First, you have to read the eastings and then the northings. Then, eastings always read with the smallest digit first. First, you have to read the smallest digit. Northings are also read from below towards north. See, northings, you're going towards the north. You should not start from here. You have to go from down. So, northings are always read from below towards north. Here also, smallest digit you have to read first. Now, 4-figure grid reference of St. Mary's School is 2003. Malu's Bakery is 2102 and Ruby Hotel is 1801. Hope you understood this much, children. So I am giving you some homework here today so that you can do it for the next class, online class we will discuss. So you will take down this question. Take map A, sheet 45 D10 homework. Find out the 4-figure grid reference of the following. Now let us do few 4-figure grid reference together. See, you can see this blue water body, Kodra Reservoir. So when you're finding out the 4-figure grid reference of Kodra Reservoir, you can see that this is spread in 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3 grids, isn't it? It is seen in one, it is not seen here. It is seen in this grid, it is seen in this grid and it is seen in this grid. So what you have to do is you have to first take 21, you can take 2105, 2205. Sorry, it is 09. I couldn't make out the number. It is 2109, 2209. Also, you can take 2108, 2208. Understood? Like that, you have to find out in how many grids it is falling. Now, let us take dense mixed jungle. So you have, if you are taking dense mixed jungle, you have to find at least these 2 grids. See, in 2 grids it is falling. So you have to find 2 grids for 4-figure grid reference. Hope you got it. You have to find these 2 grids 4-figure grid reference. This eastings and this northings, this eastings and this northings. Hope you understood. So when you see, it is 2105 and 2205. Hope you understood, children. So try to do it and we will discuss in the live class.